Hello everyone, welcome back to the Home Handbook, your go-to channel for all things home-related. With Black Friday just around the corner, it's time to start planning your shopping strategy. Today, we're diving into the best home-related products and appliances to watch out for during this year's Black Friday sales. These deals are too good to miss, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about smart home technology. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home with the latest tech, Black Friday is the perfect time to do it. Amazon often offers significant discounts on its Echo devices during Black Friday. These smart speakers and displays can control your smart home, play music, answer questions, and much more. Whether you're using Alexa to set reminders, control your thermostat, or even order groceries, the convenience they offer is unparalleled. With features like voice assistant capabilities and seamless integration with other smart devices, Echo devices can make your home smarter and more efficient. Imagine waking up and asking Alexa to start your coffee maker, read the news, and turn on your smart lights all hands-free. It's not just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade that brings ease and efficiency to your daily routine. Next, let's focus on home security. Keeping your home safe is a top priority, and Black Friday deals make it easier to invest in high-quality security systems. Ring Video Doorbells often see substantial discounts during Black Friday. They offer features like motion detection, video recording, and real-time alerts to your phone. You can see, hear, and speak to anyone at your door from your smartphone, tablet, or PC, which adds an extra layer of security. These devices provide peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your front door from anywhere, making them a worthwhile investment for any homeowner. With the ability to record and store footage, you can always go back and review any activity at your doorstep. Plus, the integration with other smart home devices means you can create a comprehensive security system that works seamlessly together. Moving on to the heart of the home, the kitchen. Black Friday is the best time to snag deals on innovative kitchen gadgets that can simplify your cooking experience. The Instant Pot is a versatile kitchen appliance that can replace several gadgets, such as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and rice cooker. Black Friday deals often make it more affordable, allowing you to get more bang for your buck. Its multifunctionality and convenience make it a favorite among home cooks, helping you save time and counter space. Imagine preparing a delicious, home-cooked meal in a fraction of the time it would normally take. From soups and stews to yogurt and cakes, the Instant Pot can handle it all, making it an indispensable tool in any kitchen. Ninja products, like the Ninja Foodi and Ninja Blender, are known for their durability and multifunctionality. Black Friday discounts make these high-quality appliances more accessible. Whether you're blending smoothies or air frying your favorite foods, Ninja appliances provide reliable performance and versatility. The Ninja Foodi, for example, combines the functions of a pressure cooker and an air fryer, allowing you to create crispy, delicious meals with less oil. Their robust design ensures they can handle daily use, making them a valuable addition to your kitchen. Keeping your home clean is essential, and Black Friday offers great deals on products that can make this task easier. Robot vacuums like the Roomba often see significant discounts during Black Friday. They help keep your floors clean with minimal effort on your part. Simply set it up to clean while you're at work or sleeping, and come home to spotless floors. With advanced features like smart mapping and automatic dirt disposal, Roombas make maintaining a clean home a breeze. The smart mapping technology allows the Roomba to learn the layout of your home, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. Plus, with the ability to schedule cleanings via an app, you can maintain a clean home without lifting a finger. Dyson vacuums are known for their powerful suction and convenience. Black Friday deals make these premium cleaning tools more affordable. Whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, or a mix of both, a Dyson vacuum can handle it all with ease. Their cordless design and advanced filtration systems make them perfect for quick and thorough cleaning. The lightweight design allows for easy maneuvering, and the powerful battery ensures you can clean your entire home on a single charge. With advanced filtration, Dyson vacuums capture allergens and expel cleaner air, making them a great choice for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. Last but not least, let's talk about health and wellness products. Let's look at some items that can improve your home environment and your well-being. Brands like Honeywell and BlueAir often offer deals on air purifiers. These devices improve indoor air quality, which is especially important for allergy sufferers. By removing pollutants, allergens, and even viruses from the air purifiers create a healthier living environment. Investing in an air purifier can lead to better health and comfort, making it a smart purchase during Black Friday sales. With features like HEPA filters and smart sensors, these devices can automatically adjust their settings based on the air quality in your home. This ensures optimal performance and helps you breathe easier, especially during allergy season or in areas with poor air quality. That's it for today's video on the best home-related products to watch out for this Black Friday. We've already compiled a list of all the products mentioned in the video in the description box below to make it easier for you to locate them during the sales. These deals are sure to help you upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching the Home Handbook. For more tips on making your house feel like your home, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.